Yeah, it's a big little caterpillar. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a black eastern swallowtail. We saw one in the El Cabulan village uh, garden.
Uh-huh.
And I looked it up and learned their true varieties. But here we are watching this one drop butterfly poops, as you say.
I wonder if this is something else too.
Yeah.
I wish I had a microscope with the slides and stuff so we can look at it under.
Yeah. I gotta say, you've done a really beautiful job with cultivating a lot of the sort of prairie plants. The chicory and the Queen Anne's lace.
I get a kick out of seeing them coming in outside in the morning and seeing them open up.
Oh, that's cool, yeah.
Yeah,
You get to watch them actually unfold or open.
I was gonna do that. I hadn't done it, but I was interested in doing that because it would be interesting
Hmm.
to be in the same rhythm with them, to watch them unfold. I mean, I know you can like do the time lapse video kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, set the camera up and everything. But what if you can actually just stand there and be patient enough to watch it unfold?
Mm. That reminds me of there's this Aldo Leopold bird count, and it just you spend the whole brink of morning counting the birds that you see as they fly over or so.
Oh wow!
And so you get to see that before the sun rises, as the sun rises, and all of that. And people gather for that. Part of it's for the data for science, but also just being in that rhythm and
Where are these
feeling the
people
morning.
at? I need to go hang out with them.
Yeah.
Have you done that?
I have. I did that once. Yeah.
I need to hang out with you more then.
Okay. Well, we can create that here too, right? Like we'll do both. Yeah. But I think that's a great idea. That's what I'm saying. Just have folks see your flowers open up, and could harvest some honeysuckle blossoms as well. And then that's
So fun.
yeah.
Like everybody. Yeah, because after it's that, and then also picking out digging out the chicory in autumn. I think it's supposed to be in autumn when you dig up the roots.
Oh.
And then you cut up the roots and roast them.
Hmm.
And then you grind them like coffee. People
Okay.
drink them like coffee. I have never done it.
We should try that this autumn.
I'm going to get all the stuff off of Facebook. I mean, off the internet.
Off the internet. Yep.
We'll post it on Facebook.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, Queen Anne's lace is also something that, well, you're the one who told me about the jam part.
Yeah,
I know the root you can do stuff with. At least you chew it. I want to look it up. I think it sounds like it's in the carrot family, or if the carrot's in the same family. Because this is called Daucus carota.
I
So.
can smell it. And it smells like parsley to me.
Mm.
I don't know if it's edible. I haven't looked that part up yet. But it smells like parsley to me.
Yeah.
And then even these little, like it smells fresh. That's not one. Which one?
Yeah, it does remind me of carrot greens. It looks like a carrot leaf as well.
They even, like, it's interesting. Like, you go outside and like, oh, it smells so nice and fresh outside. Well, it's because of these. They're not as fragrant as honeysuckle or, any of the other, like jasmine and, lavender. But when you get right up on them, you smell them. And they smell good. And then the milkweed is like that too, the little bell flowers.
Do yours have orange flowers, like little, or is it a
No,
different kind?
they're blush pink.
Oh,
I
okay,
didn't know
right.
until I went on the Facebook group, the native one that you invited me to.
Uh huh.
I didn't know there was so. I mean, I guess I knew, but I didn't think about it because I've only seen one. Like, there's only one species of milkweed, but I didn't know that there were so many of them. They were talking about them
Mm-hmm.
in the group last night or today.
Mm-hmm. You know, there's an area in Troy. It was a park, and it was one of the best natural areas I've seen. Period. And I was amazed that it's just up the street, up the highway. You know,
Okay.
and you get a chance. I'd love to take folks out that way and show some stuff there, because that was more like, that's almost the ideal that a lot of Michigan natural areas would be working towards, because it's just got a good cross section of different habitats. So like here we've got some shaded areas where it's sort of like stepping into a woodland, and then you've got a lot of prairie plants, you know, full sun, and you've got some shrub type stuff too. So it's a good diverse ecosystem, or part of an ecosystem just here in your yard, you know. But there it's like ecosystems of ecosystems, right? You've got some river, you've got pine, you've got other kinds of forest, and then they have a field right now we can still see of milkweed, but also butterfly weed, which looks kind of similar, at least at a glance. I think the leaves arrange differently, but the flowers on butterfly weed is like an orange thing.
Oh, okay.
And so when I was asking, it's because I'm trying to see if I can distinguish also, or what other people notice, like how are they different, you know. And that's in general.
Well, that's interesting, because so now I want to go get the seeds from the other types of butterflies.
That's the plan. That's the plan.
And
To
just have
diversify the genetic base around here. Yeah.
So let me see if there's any. There was
Put this down.
there were baby butterflies. Baby monarchs. They were like full-on butterflies, but they were really, really tiny.
Is this the kind of beetle you're talking about?
The little red ones.
and-
Where your husband at? Or your wife? I haven't gotten. So wait a minute. Usually, what it is it that when the brighter color ones are the males
Okay.
in nature, people say.
Yeah.
So you waiting on somebody.
Yeah. Well.
That's what I see. Yeah, these are usually like a blush pink,
Right.
not too different of a color.
Well, that's cool. You can see all the stages. Some of these are fruiting. Like this is a little ball. This is getting a little bigger. That's even bigger. And then you got the whole pod. Where's one of these had? Well, here's a pod right there.
Yeah.
It's getting more mature. Amazing how they got that rumply quality.
Yeah, and then when it opens up, it's all furry and stuff. Like, what do you do with those? With the fur? And why all of a sudden is the sap coming out? What's making the sap?
Oh,
Maybe
got some aphids or
something
something. Oh,
ate it and made the sap come
probably something up there is munching. And this is what we're talking about with the sap, all that white stuff. There's an ant there. I bet there's some aphids somewhere nearby. Oh, really tiny. Wow, like you can barely see. But I think that little tobacco flake looking, I don't even know if we can catch it on camera.
That's an aphid?
It's a little speck. That's probably an aphid.
Oh, wow.
And then if you look at the base of the leaves, I'm going to zoom in for a second just to show.
Something's been gnawing on it.
Yeah, you can see all of those grains near the stem. I feel like those are either not seeds. What's it called? Eggs, or that could be aphids.
What's this underneath here? Is that?
Oh, so I can. I'm not sure, but it's probably something cocooning in there. Sometimes spiders will roll up a leaf and stay in there, or lay their eggs there. But other, like in here, I'm not even sure.